Okay, so previous video I mentioned about 5 things I enjoy about amateur radio. So here's 5 things I dislike about amateur radio, and I say dislike because hate's a strong word. There's no room for hate in this hobby, and I'm talking about really actual physical hate. So here's 5 things I dislike, and in no particular order, of course. Oh look, all the dogs are out. Number 1, what we call the band police. Basically these are people, they're on licence, and they like to pick at everything. Oh no, you shouldn't have done that, you shouldn't have done that, no, you're doing that wrong. I've had it before. I've been on HEMA, Malcop, trying to get some contacts. Got one off the calling channel, found clear frequency, brought them over, had a bit of a natter, signal report, etc. And it's going like QRZ, and there's a couple of people coming back to me slowly. And one guy come up, didn't give his call sign, which is usually the case. Oh, you get more calls if you go to the calling frequency. The fact I was on that frequency calling QRZ and getting contacts for about 10-20 minutes just shows it, doesn't it? Second one, licence snobbery. And this is basically higher call signs looking down on the lower guys. G7, G8, G0s, whichever. The ones that love to tell you that they had to take a Morse exam before they got their licence or before they can go on HF. You don't need to do the Morse code test anymore. Maybe Morse awareness, but watch me feet here. It annoys me. It's nothing to do with your class of licence, it's the person who's operating it. You can have an absolutely fantastic M6 licence, and you can have an absolute idiot M6 licence. You can have an absolute fantastic G0 licence, M0 licence, an absolute idiot. So it's a snobbery I don't like, licence snobbery. Third one is QRM. I apologise if you get the wind here. QRM is basically noise on the band, electrical noise. VDSL cabinets, power line adapters, horrible noise. I suffer from it badly at my home QTH. Shortwave listening's really difficult to get like a pulsing sound on. It's annoying, and Ofcom doesn't see the problem. Yet there is. It's one of those things. Fourth one. Now this may cause a bit of a debate, discussion. Contests on HF. Now if you're a contester, you know, nothing against you, but HF contests in particular, you know, you may work Monday to Friday and think, I'll go on HF on Saturday, I've not been on in a bit. You switch on, you go to 20 metres, and all you hear is CQ contest, CQ contest, CQ contest. And it's across the entire band. Right from bottom of the SSB portion to that to the top. And it's annoying. It really is annoying. Just leave a bit of space. Leave a space at the top end of the spectrum for us non-contesters. God, the wind is getting up. And you may say, well, oh, there's non-contest bands, but not all of us can get on all the bands. It's just one of them things. So let's get out the wind here. So, blimey, the wind is picking up. Best wrap this one up quick. So yeah, that's don't like contesting, HF contesters, although I have been on 2 metre and 70 cents contests, but you know, band's big enough. Okay, the 5th one I don't like about amateur radio is the tar bush. And some of you may have seen Radcom, there's a lot of it replying to when I was in there, but basically saying that M6 call signs, M7 call signs, the foundation lot, are a bit daft, a bit stupid. They don't know what they're doing. They run more than their 10 watt allowance. Well, I don't. And I think only a handful of them misuse their license. They think, oh, I'll turn up to 50 watts. No one will know. Oh, no one might not know. Guy in Europe, you know, getting a M6 call sign, it's just a call sign, you know, he might not know. But does annoy me. Really annoys me. I've never gone past 10 watts. I use less than 10 watts. Because, you know, it's just one of them bloody things. People abuse it. People abuse intermediate license conditions. Go above their 50 watt license requirements. License restrictions, sorry. I suppose all call signs do it. They probably go past their 400 watt minimum, maximum. So, right, so that's about it for this video. Again, I'd like to know what you think. Put them in the comment section. Or why not make a video about it? Fantastic, share your thoughts. Until next time, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, good DX, and 73.